At 28th, our top priority is the client's vision. This space really reflected luxury and entertainment. Being a family where you entertain and you host dinner parties and everything, the dining room was really special. It needed to be special. The very detailed chandeliers came in, and the long table and the buffet and the art. For some drama, added velvet drapes. We chose the velvet green, which kind of brought out all the plant life that we had throughout the house. The sitting area, that was really the husband's idea. He really wanted an area where him and the guys can have a comfortable space to like hang out. We picked these really amazing, low profile, detailed chairs. They just really fit the home really well. Another detail that I'm really proud of is they already had purchased a coffee table. And so what I did is I took 2 coffee tables and I nested them together. So it looks like one grand coffee table. Again, it's just another area where they can sit around. Throughout the home, it's very gender neutral, but the office had a little bit more masculine accents. We chose thicker linen for the drapes, the artwork, and the vases. The chandelier is very like modern and sleek. I talk a lot about like placing mirrors in places where like if you walk in, it makes the space look open. But the mirrors in the house were really used in place of art. The mirrors in the dining area look like art. And then the mirror in the living room, it's hidden behind a plant, but it still opens up the space and it acts as art. I collaborated a lot with this client. Everything about the space is really intimate, and I really paid attention to little details that were really functional and adaptable for entertaining.